Good morning. Today is 13th of March 2024. This is your friendly neighborhood analyst, Vijay, also called Sainik, giving you a preview of today's market. The title of this topic is Will Investors Get Smoked Out? The pun here being that today BAT is putting up close to 17,000 crores of its ITC shares on the block, and you will see a beeline of mutual funds and foreigners and other investors trying to lap it up. Now, there is a commentary which says that you see once the supply is absorbed, then the prices tend to go up. That is what has happened in the past. Now, you cannot apply that to ITC, I believe, because you see, ITC is a unique share and the supply is huge. Why do I call it unique? It is because it is the FMCG sector, which is generally overvalued as per all parameters. ITC has not been doing well for the last 3 quarters. And generally, ITC is not a share which most institutions really tout it on the media channels. Now, if you are going to believe that, once ITC supply is absorbed, all will be hunky dory and ITC will start moving up, then I think you better look at the fundamentals and also the technicals. Clearly, BAT knows what they're doing. In the last few years, it was generally believed, including me, that BAT will actually lap up ITC shares and consolidate their holding. Now, they've done exactly the reverse. Why have they done it? They've done it because they believe that BAT shares, which are listed on the overseas exchanges, are undervalued vis-a-vis ITC. This was the same argument put forward by Whirlpool when they offloaded much part of their equity a few weeks ago. Now, BAT, what is BAT going to do with this money of so close to 17,000 crores? BAT is in turn going to buy BAT shares. So they believe that it is better to buy BAT shares than to buy ITC shares. One should understand that logic before jumping to conclusion saying that now there will be huge demand for ITC shares after this supply has been absorbed. So one would be very, very careful in trying to use that same logic which a lot of people used in the past, where once the promoters sell, then the share bottom is reached. So this, in my opinion and analysis, will be different. Now, coming back to the markets, yesterday, despite poor CPI numbers, that is the consumer price index in the US, actually ticked higher, which I talked about it in yesterday's closing comments. The markets went up. There is no real logic as to why markets go up. So I don't know whether one should reflect on that and assume that our markets also will go up. We have our own set of issues. Incidentally, the Asian markets are all off their highs. Hong Kong is in positive territory, but still off the highs. Nikkei, of course, is in the negative, but Nikkei always, it gives you the feeling that it will go down and then Bank of Japan and the Japanese government come back and jack it up. So I do not really put much emphasis on Nikkei. Now, in terms of precious metals, gold has got a long-awaited correction because I think it was going up tremendously, giving no chance for any person to buy on declines. So you are seeing a decline in gold and in silver. I strongly believe that precious metals, gold and silver, will be the best investments for 2024, along with Hong Kong stock Hang Seng Index. And we, as a family office, have investments in gold and silver through Gold Bees and Silver Bees. We also have investments in Hong Kong through the Hang Seng Bees, and there's a tech index by Mirae, which is listed on the bourses. So this is our disclosure. I'm not expecting people to follow it, but this is just for you to understand. I will do a longer video on the weekend on this topic. So today is bank expiry, bank Nifty expiry. So you will see a lot of volatility. So the markets may open with a gap. I have a strong suspicion that they will get sold into, and last half an hour volatility will be very severe. So you can look at yesterday's highs and yesterday's lows as the range. Anything above that or below the range, then you will see a larger move. So right now I am expecting a range bound with a negative bias at the close, but with a positive bias at the end. Sorry, a positive bias at the beginning. Thank you for listening. I'm signing off. Please don't take this as an investment advice, and please like and share the video, and have a good trading day. Thank you.